Hi guys, had some questions about the radio control system I put in this blue boat. It was a cheap eBay, was it eBay? I can't remember now. It was either eBay or AliExpress or Banggood, one of them. But it was a kit in that it comes with the receiver, the transmitter, the battery pack, 2 motors, and little plastic motor holders, the connectors, brass connectors, the prop shaft tube and propellers. The propellers are left and right, and it's actually designed to work for differential thrust, and it actually does a little bit more than I expected. It is toy grade, as in it's forwards, backwards, left, right. There's no proportional, but if you hold it on right or left, let's see if we can demonstrate. Initially, one prop goes one way and one goes the other. Actually, that's not strictly true because they're counter-rotating. They both turn the same direction, but they have the effect of one going forwards and one going backwards to start it turning. But if you keep your finger on it, one of them stops. Let's see if I can show you. So we go right. Initially, one goes backwards, the other goes forwards, like that. But if I keep my finger on it, once it's started turning, it actually just switches to just one of them. There. So it's just one is actually doing the turning. If I do it the other way, right, both, and then one. So finger off and it starts again, both motors, and then it's just the one. And there's something similar when you actually hold it on forwards and use the left and right, I think. Let's put the hat camera on now, so I've got both hands. So forwards. Oh, I've got a 2S LiPo on there tonight. I was originally using just a 1S. So we're going a bit faster. Right, right and forwards. We're just getting right. Let's go forwards first. Yeah, that looks like as soon as I press the right button, we just get the right, or actually the left motor. Both. Yeah. Both. So at low speed it gives you a bit of reverse on one and forwards on the other to get the turn started, and then it just switches to one motor. Let's do it up close. And I can't say I noticed that when we were actually doing it in the pond, but I wasn't looking that close. Just hold it. I'll hold it in the water a bit so we don't get quite so much spray. Oh, getting a bit of cogging now because it's struggling. Well, that was interesting. Hadn't expected that. I hope the camera's picking some of this up because I'm getting sprayed. I wonder if it's getting overheated because I'm using a 2S. Can't really get my fingers in there to test the heat. Haven't left myself very much room. Can't feel anything through the plastic. What about this fella? Oh, they're hot. Yeah, that chip. Yeah, that's getting hot because I'm running it on 2S. So, depends what you want to do, doesn't it? It was quite happy on the 1S LiPo. Fast enough for me. I didn't really want it as a speedboat. But it's running on a 2S, but it is getting hot. And it looked like when it started getting a bit of load on it, when I held it in the water so it couldn't move, it actually started switching itself off. So, I'm not trying to sell these to you at all. I just bought them because they looked interesting. And it works. But don't get confused. Just because it says 2.4 gigahertz, that doesn't make it hobby grade. It's still toy grade. Although it seems to have a bit of intelligence in there for doing the turning.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.